Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Weaves, your space to relax, recharge, and reconnect. I'm Sangita, and today we're diving into the incredible benefits of practicing yoga in the morning. If you're ready to start your day with positivity and peace, you're in the right place. Starting your day with yoga is one of the best gifts you can give to your body, mind, and soul. Here are some powerful benefits of making yoga a part of your morning routine. Number 1. Boosts energy and vitality. First up, morning yoga helps boost your energy and vitality. A few simple stretches and asanas can wake up your body, increase blood flow, and help you feel more alert and energized throughout the day. It's like a natural caffeine boost without the crash. Number 2. Reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga in the morning also sets a calm and positive tone for your day. By focusing on your breath and moving mindfully, you reduce stress and anxiety, which can make you more resilient to challenges you face later on. Morning yoga is your daily dose of inner peace. Number 3. Enhances flexibility and strength. One of the great physical benefits of morning yoga is how it enhances flexibility and strength. Regular practice helps stretch tight muscles, improves your range of motion, and strengthens your core, giving your body that feels good from the inside out. Number 4. Improves focus and concentration. Morning yoga isn't just about the body, it's also about the mind. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, you improve your focus and concentration. You'll find that you're able to stay more present and productive throughout the day, whether you're at work, school, or just enjoying your time. Number 5. Better sleep at night. And here's an added bonus: morning yoga can actually help you sleep better at night. The calm and focus you cultivate early in the day helps regulate your nervous system, leading to more restful sleep when you finally hit the pillow. These are just a few of the amazing benefits of practicing yoga in the morning. If you are looking to start your day feeling balanced, energized, and ready to take on whatever comes your way, give morning yoga a try. And remember, even just 10 to 15 minutes can make a world of difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Unwind Vibes for more tips on relaxation, mindfulness, and living your best life. And hey, hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of peace and positivity. Until next time, stay balanced, stay positive, and keep unwinding with yoga. Take care.